Hi, welcome to another episode of Async File. In this video, we're going to take a look how to find the maximum and the minimum element in an array. So let's get our start coding. First, we're going to include our standard input and output header file, and then we're going to include the standard library header file as we're going to use a malloc function. So we're going to create a main function with a return of 0. Then we're going to create a limit and the array. Let's enter the limit from the user. Enter the limit. Scanf %d, ampersand limit. Let's create the array int star malloc of limit multiplied by size of int. Let's take the array from the user. So let's print out a message for the user. Enter the elements of the array. Now let's use a for loop to take the elements from the user. Printf and scanf of %d, ampersand of arr of I. Now let's print the array. Enter the array. Now use a for loop to print that. Printf %d /t so if arr of I, which is a current element, is greater than the maximum element, then we have to reset the maximum element to the current element. Else if the current element is less than the minimum element, we're going to reset the minimum element to the current element. Then we have to declare some variables, as we have forgotten to declare that. And the max and the min value would be the first element of the array. So let's write that. Let's print out the greatest and the smallest element. So printf greatest element %d, max, semicolon. Printf smallest element %d, min. So that was our code, guys. Let's run it. Let's compile. Let's make the screen a little bit bigger. Let's clear out the console first. Let's compile the program now. Let's run the program. So enter the limit 5. Let's enter the elements of the array first. Yeah. Our code works. So that was our code, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more such amazing content. I hope you liked it. So please do like, share and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.